Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to learn about the built-in generics partial. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. The partial utility type in the TypeScript is used to create a new type by making all properties of an existing type optional. Okay, so here you can make all the properties of the existing type optional. This means that each property in the resulting type can either have the value of the specified type or be undefined. So let's take an example. So here we have the interface person. Okay, we have an interface person with two properties, name and age. We use partial person utility type to create a new person where all properties of the person are optional. So here you can see that where we have declared we use partial person utility type. Okay, partial person utility type to create a new type partial person where all properties of the person are optional. So here all the are optional here. So we declare a variable partial person of the type partial. Okay, initially it's empty object. Okay, currently it's empty object, and we can assign values to its properties one by one. So we have first we initialize the name, second we initialize the age. Console.log partial person, so we will output that one. Okay, we assign values to the name and the age properties of the partial person, and the TypeScript doesn't raise any errors because both properties are optional in the partial person. Okay, so both are optional, so that's why the TypeScript will not raise any kind of the errors. Okay, so this is how we are able to implement the partial property in the TypeScript. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.